Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market review of the Nasdaq Composite. I've got the monthly chart up here. We can see the market's conspicuous consumption bubble is in full swing. Bit of a negative candle there. We'll see how this month's end. But, provided the market can retrace some of that move, this is quite a negative, bearish overall market top forming candle. And the other problem is we're quite far away from the top end of the clouds. The market is very extended. Key levels of support on the monthly is this level there, around about the 14,304, and then the front end of the cloud 12,863. Now this is probably a downside risk factor early part of next year at this point. Let's turn to the weekly. A little bit more zoomed in. Yeah, the key levels to watch out for is this turning line of the cloud. That's the next first level of support where this market correction can take us. And then the second level of support is the standard line of the cloud, that purple line there. That's 14,880, as well as the front end of the cloud here at 15,038. So these are the downside risk targets on the weekly from a point and figure chart, Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. Now turning to the daily, we can see markets now consolidating after slicing through a key turning line there of the cloud. It's sliced through the standard line of the cloud, so we'll see if we can rebound from that level. The front in the cloud level, you have support at 15,523. Watch out for that level. And then significant support zone is this bottom in cloud chart support level here at 15,196. So watch out for those. So these are the downside risk levels. Had a MACD sell signal. Will be interesting to see if that one's going to pan out, but we've lost support at this critical cloud chart standard line. We need to see, we expect some form of rebound here, but it will be interesting to see if the turning line will then act as resistance. But expect a snapback back up to the turning line there. But so far, we are a little bit risky side of things here with downside risk to these top end and bottom end cloud chart support levels. Turning to the 4 hours, a little bit more zoomed in on the intraday price action. You can see we lost support at the top in the cloud. If we regain that, that would be good. So far, price action above the cloud is still bullish with this bottom end cloud as a major support zone on the 4 hour. Had a MACD sell in around these levels there. So there's quite a lot of divergence between the price and the MACD indicator at this point in time. Front end of the cloud here at 15,616 is a key support level to watch out for. So it will be interesting to see if we're going to get a rebound from this zone. Let me just put a line in this support level there at the front end of the cloud. If we project that backwards, it will be interesting to see if we get that rebound today to close back up above the top end of the cloud. If we don't close back above the top end of the cloud, there is further downside risk to these bottom end cloud chart support levels of 15,246. So price action to look out for to the upside today is a regain, price strength regain back up to the top end of the cloud here. If support fails, then we're heading back down to 15,246 on the 4 hour chart. So that's a downside risk there. But back to the daily, just to get key levels in place there. We'll see, put that line there. That's a level to watch out for potential rebound. 15,526. A snapback there. The new resistance level now is this front end cloud level there. 15,764 is a resistance level to the upside. So those are the two levels to watch out for. And then significant weakness. If there's significant weakness, there is downside risk to this old high here. Put that one in there. And then next, if support fails at that level, then we could see the front end of the cloud here. These levels, 15,192, and this bottom in cloud chart support level. So those are the levels to watch out for. Expect a short-term swing trade back up to the resistance levels, 5,612, as well as 15,764. And if resistance holds and support fails, we're going to dip back deeper into these 15,396 zones, as well as the front end of the cloud. So these are the levels to watch out for. We've had a MACD sell on the daily, so that's a bit of a downside risk. But we do need to see the market to regain some strength here on the back of key support levels being tested. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.